Namaste. I'm Minnie and welcome to my channel Food Atomic. Today we are making garlic knots. It is a classic Italian pizzeria snack made from the strips of pizza dough tied in a knot, and we are adding a twist with some stuffed vegan cheese. If you are new to my channel, I make easy vegan or plant-based recipes with step-by-step instructions, and if you would like to see more of these videos, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notified every single time I post a new video. Let's start by activating the yeast. In a bowl, take 100 ml of lukewarm water and then add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix the sugar till it dissolves in the water. Add half teaspoon of dry yeast. The yeast will feed on the sugar, which will help it to get activated. Watch the fast forwarded version of yeast activation process. It will look something like this. This process may take around 15 minutes. To a bigger bowl, add 300 grams of all-purpose flour. Then take around 1 teaspoon of dry rosemary leaves and crush them and then add them to the bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of olive oil, mix it well. Then add the yeast water to the pan gradually and mix. Do not add all the yeast water altogether as it might make the dough watery. I ended up adding all the water to the bowl and it was sufficient. You may increase or decrease the quantity of water in the dough as per your own requirement. Now it's time to get your hands dirty. We are going to knead the dough till it's well done. As you have seen, this is the classic pizza dough preparation. If you want to see a detailed video about rightly kneading the dough, I will add the link of pizza dough video below in the description box. It took me around 10 to 12 minutes. You will always know when the dough is done right. Roll the dough in a ball shape and place it back into the bowl. Add few drops of olive oil and then cover the dough with it. Now cover the bowl with a wet towel or plastic film and let it rest and rise for 30 minutes to 1 hour. While the dough is resting, take 2 medium bursts of garlic, cut both of them towards the end just like this. We are not going to remove the skin of the garlic. Place both of them on a silver foil and then add olive oil to it. Now wrap the foil tightly and place it in oven for 40 minutes over 180 degrees Celsius. After 1 hour, remove the plastic film. The dough is soft and fluffy. Sprinkle some dry flour on the dough, also on the base of the surface. Stretch it with your palms and then roll it out using a rolling pin. We are trying for a rectangular shape, but don't worry too much about it as we will get the desired shape by hook or crook. Just try to roll it out evenly. Once the dough is rolled out, fold it from the center. It's time to get the rectangular shape I promised. Take a knife and slice the edges. Now unfold the dough. Let's make the garlic paste. We had removed the garlic from the oven after 40 minutes and it was resting and cooling down since then. And see how amazing it smells, and the garlic has cooked evenly and turned so soft. You can just squeeze the garlic bulb at the bottom and it will come right up. So don't spend time peeling it. Take a bowl and squeeze both the garlic bulbs in it. Although the garlic is soft, I'm just making sure that there are no lumps. Then add half teaspoon of salt. You can add other condiments too as per your liking. Now add the garlic paste on the dough and spread it evenly. Sprinkle some red chili flakes. And then some grated vegan cheese. I have used around 100 grams of vegan cheese. You can even make these garlic knots without any filling, but I promise you this will not disappoint. Fold back the dough and press it lightly around the edges. And with the help of the rolling pin, roll it once or twice lightly. Slice the dough in equal parts. You can change the width as per your liking. I'm going for roughly 1 inch width. Take one of the slice, twist it just like this, and then tie a simple knot. And repeat the same with the rest of the slices. Place them on a tray lined with the baking sheet, or just lightly brush the tray with olive oil and then bake for 20 minutes over 180 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, let's prepare the dressing for the vegan cheese garlic knot. To a pan, add 3 tablespoons of vegan butter. Make sure that the heat is set to low and let it melt gradually. Then add half teaspoon of black pepper powder, some finely chopped oregano leaves. In the traditional recipe, people usually add parsley, but feel free to experiment. Mix everything and switch off the heat. It took me close to 20 minutes for the vegan garlic knots to get this color. You can make them more crispy, but I prefer them just slightly golden on the outside. This way they are light crunchy on the outside and so soft on the inside, and the cheese is melted just right. Now dress them with the vegan butter and the oregano dressing, and like I always say, be generous with the dressing. The vegan butter will add a beautiful glaze to the garlic knots. Just look at that. It is so hard to resist myself not to eat them and keep recording right now. I should get some award for this. This is one of those snacks which can be prepped in advance and so good for game nights or parties. I'm being really impatient with the dressing as I just can't wait to eat them. And I know I have said this before, but don't they look incredible? The best part about this recipe is that you can make it with so many different variations with the stuff you have at hand and the flavors of your choice. This is perfect golden from all the sides, and the outside is light crispy and so soft on the inside. Guys, do try this beautiful recipe at home. It's so easy, and trust me, everyone will be impressed with the flavors. So, if you like today's recipe, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Food Atomic. As usual, I have listed all the equipments and ingredients I use in the description section. If you are still looking for more vegan videos, check out this easy vegan food playlist. I'll be back soon with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye.